Look at that freak on stage. 6'4", bad posture, double chin. Well, not bad for an 80-year-old. Hi, I'm Jobin-Bevins, the host of your next event. I think the key to a good host is making the experience unique every time.
You're a competitive person?
No, I just hate losing.
I just hate losing. Okay, that seems to be kind of the definition.
I want to know more about people that I'm working with on stage beyond their LinkedIn profile or their corporate bio. I like to know something about the person, what makes them human. Because it's a big part of what we do on stage is make people approachable and bring out their personality so that the crowd is really engaged and wants to know more about that person and what they want to talk about. I think it's important to know something personal about them, something fun about them, so we really bring that humanizing element to the stage as well.
What did you miss most about being away from Canada?
I think I'm supposed to say family and friends.
Are they here?
No.
Then don't worry about it.
Okay, good. Then.
Yeah.
So beyond hosting, I also teach the skills of an improviser and how you use those skills in the business world. So things like empathy for people, storytelling, communication skills, all those things that make a great improviser can also really help someone to be a better speaker, a better communicator, and use those skills in the business world. I think getting people laughing gets people listening.
We've had a week together. We had time to get to know each other. I feel like we can be honest with each other. So I'm just wondering, just by a round of applause, I'm going to ask you this. Let me know this honestly. Who in this room, at some point when they were maybe in the bathroom or having a shower, regretted putting this wristband on their prominent arm? Did anyone have a moment? Yeah. You all know what I mean then. Okay.
Some of the crowds I've taught include Major League Baseball rookies, hockey rookies, and I'll tell you, that is a tough crowd. It's essentially like teaching a high school classroom full of jocks. You can imagine they're a little tough, but I got them laughing, so I feel I can get any crowd going.
When you're getting intimate in some way, just cleaning yourself in any way, really, you don't want to have a razor blade on your wrist, it seems. That's the lesson we've all learned. Even if this razor blade gets you into rooms, pays for things, it doesn't make you feel good at that point.
So for me, it's a collaborative effort. I want to make sure that every client has their say in how this show, this meeting, whatever it is going to go. So I want to have conversations about what makes this company unique, what are some of the things they want to work on, how do they want this presentation to happen.
We could do this for hours, but we shouldn't.
It's never just a meeting, it's a show. Unless you want it to just be a meeting, and then it's just a meeting. That's like a show. Okay, that feels good. Okay, that's a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah.